KEAZ combines professional developers, engineers, designers, and partners to provide tailored solutions for unique challenges. We are highly reliable and committed to our mission. We explore industry trends and needs to create products that handle extreme industrial environments and meet all technological requirements. Our mission is to ensure process sustainability in oil and gas industry, to conquer harsh conditions of Siberia, to withstand vibrations, to protect your data, to keep your home safe. KEAZ, energy of unity.